Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Marites Vlog. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please click the bell button below para ma-notify po kayo sa mga bago kong uploads na video. So for today's video, magluluto po tayo ng green apple recipe. So ayan po yung ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po magluto ng simple green apple recipe. So ito po yung ating mga kailangan guys. Kailangan po natin ng chili powder, sugar, ginger powder, black pepper, garlic, onion, green apple, soy sauce, salt, and cooking oil. So, ayan po yung ating kailangan guys. So, let's start cooking. So, ang una po natin gagawin, maglagay po muna tayo ng cooking oil sa fry pan. Then, isod po natin ang onion at garlic. So, ilagay na natin ang ating garlic. Next, onion. Next, ilagay na natin ang ating green apple. And then add the seasoning. You put salt, a little bit onion, chili powder, black pepper, sugar, and the last one, ginger powder. And then, mix ko natin. And then, you have to add a little bit of soy sauce. Ganito lang guys. And then, halong-halong ko nito. So, ito na po yung ating green apple simple recipe. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the bell button below para ma-notify po kayo sa mga bago kong upload na videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.